Привет! Меня зовут Lisa. Today we're going to talk about the letter A. There are three pronunciations for the letter A. When the letter A is stressed, we pronounce it as A. A as in not, hot, got, stop. A. It's open. A. Open your mouth and your tongue is down. A. A. Рак. Рак. Это рак. Рак. Это сад. 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 Таракан. Таракан. The stress is on the third syllable. Таракан. An. So an is stressed and it's open. Таракан. Тара. Тара. Ta, a is not stressed. Ra, a is not stressed. Tara. So it's closed. It's a closed sound. Tara. We don't say tarakan. 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 It's very closed. It's relaxed. And it's short. Tarakan. Таракан. Это таракан. Часы. Часы. The letter I is not stressed. And the first letter is Ч. That's why we pronounce the letter A as E, as in green beads, but it's short. И. Часы. 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 Это часы. Счастливый. 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 The stress is on ливый. Счастливый. The letter I is not stressed. And here we have the letter S and the letter Ч. These two letters make sound sh. That's why we pronounce the letter A as E. She. Счастливый. We don't pronounce the letter T. Счастливый. 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 So, there are three pronunciations for the letter A. When the letter I is stressed, it's open. A. A. Это рак. When the letter I is not stressed, it's closed. Таракан. Это таракан. And sometimes when the letter I is not stressed, and it's after sounds sh and sh, we pronounce the letter I as E. Just remember it's short. И. И. Часы. Это часы. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn Russian, subscribe to my channel. Bye!